Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And if you've seen my other video, I mentioned a box opening, and it's today. What we've got for you is a My Scale. This is a KD8000, basically a kitchen scales. I'll give you some idea. I've had umpteen of these and they keep breaking. So today I decided to get myself something that's gonna do the job. And besides that, I expect you're the same as me. How many batteries do we go through? I mean, that brand new batteries and it's still showing half full. You know where I'm going with it. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. So we'll get this open and have a look and see exactly what we got. Now I've actually got this off Amazon. Now when I looked at the reviews for this model, there was quite a few good ones and there was a few bad ones. And generally speaking, there was nothing wrong with the product. It was more the case of what it's made of. So let's get her out the box and have a look and see what they're talking about, because I haven't got a clue. Nice box. I always like it when there's a nice box and easy to get into. Well, we got some brochures and I guess that's the manual. Top part of the scales. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, the essential reason I bought it. A plug. I want a plug. I don't want to be bothered with batteries anymore. I just want a plug and go. Because you know what I'm talking about, don't you? There's nothing else in the box apart from if you're European. I've got to be careful just in case it's got to go back. You know where I'm coming from, don't you? So straight away we can see exactly what we're doing here. We'll pull off that cover. So on the front of that you've got all your dials and different things. And this is actually a cover that fits over the top. Yeah, a straightforward cover, and that lifts up. So you can actually do what you want to do and put it back down. And these must just be little covers. Yeah, and I like that idea. Yeah, nice. That goes on there to protect the front, so you can actually press them on and off without actually putting muck or rubbish over the top. Interesting. Now if we're putting this on, you must just stick it straight on the top. There you go. So what we'll do is, we'll get him fired up. My Weigh KD8000 kitchen scales with main adapter. The material is plastic with stainless steel top. The weight limit is 8 kilograms. Capacity 8,000 grams. Accuracy within 1 gram. Baker's percentage functions, weight modes, grams, ounces, pounds, straight ounces, straight kilograms and pounds. This is available from Amazon for £40. The link is in the description. So this top is stainless steel. Now the whole construction of this is plastic. There's no getting away from it. It is all plastic. But if you see the pictures, it does look as though it's all stainless steel. Now they do one next to this which is all stainless steel, but it's just battery. The stainless steel one is something like, I think it's 47 quid, and this was £40. But this comes with a plug and the other one don't come with a plug. So let's get this plugged in. This is another thing, how long is the cable? Because sometimes, you know what I'm talking about, a lot of this foreign stuff has short cables. Yeah, I'm going to say that's okay. That's a yard, give or take. So what I can see from the back here, you can calibrate this as well, this model. So that's your plug hole. Well, it's gone in. It's either that or I've bust it. No more stuff on there. Please peel when in use. So that's a bit of plastic. Oh, there we go. We're in business. Right, let's plug her in. Let's go for it. Oh yes. So let's pop some on the top and see what it weighs. There we go. Now that's 126 grams. Now you can change that into kilograms. Nice. Ounces. Pounds and ounces. Oh, I like this. You've got to hold your percentage button. To be honest, I've never done percentages. I use the recipe, but it's something I might actually try just to see, because obviously if you put your flour on top and you know that you need 6% salt, you can do obviously your 6% and put it in, or whatever salt you're putting in. I'm liking this already. Okay, it's plastic, but for 40 quid, I don't think it's too bad, really. I think it's quite a good price. Taking back to these, I mean the construction, these weigh a bit. I mean, give you some idea. This, we'll pop this on here. And what's that weigh? 554 grams, this does. And that's metal. And I'm guessing there's some weight in here somewhere. But the worst thing possible with these, and you've probably had it yourself, if you've got one of these in your kitchen, you know what I'm talking about. These legs. These, they come off. Look, that's off, that one's on, that one's on. So you know straight away your scale ain't gonna be straight. And as for the batteries, that's an issue in its own right. Now, I'm not saying these are a load of crap, these scales. I mean, Salter is a really good make. You know, there's no doubt about it. But to be perfectly honest, in the last 10 years, I reckon I've had, what? It's got a bit, I'm gonna say I've had probably 10 of these. I can think of, since I've been doing YouTube, I've had 4 of these since I've been doing YouTube. And that's 3 years. So from what I can see, I'm really liking this. I mean, I do like the idea of having a cover on the front. Whether it's going to be a pain in the backside or not, I don't know. But I'm liking it. Question is, am I taking this to the bakery or am I leaving this here? Well, the truth of the matter is I'm actually leaving it here because I want the scale here, because I'm sadly not going to bother with going down the bakery and weighing up things. I'll just bring the ingredients here and weigh up myself. To be perfectly honest about the whole situation, the scales I've got down at work won't go down low enough. So if I want to bring a recipe home with me, I can't. So I'm a bit like that. So I'm a bit stuffed at the moment with that. So having something like this would be just really, really useful. So I'm going to give it a good whirl, and then I'll get back to you. We'll do a review on this then, and we can sort of decide whether it's going to be good or bad. I'm liking it already. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!